what is your advantage as an allied medical course and applicant as Correction Officer 1 or Correction Technical Officer 1 in the Bureau of Corrections. Ano nga ba ang allied medical courses? Ito yung mga courses gaya ng pharmacists, nurses, dentist at iba pa na kabilang sa mga medical courses. May advantage nga ba kapag nag-apply sila? Let's keep it real. In Bucor application for CO1 or CTO1, having an allied medical course is a quite advantage. Hindi man laging sinasabi pero ramdam na ramdam ito sa proseso. Bakit? Una, ang Bucor ay hindi lang tungkol sa security and custody. It is also about custody care and control inside the correctional facilities. Medical situations are daily realities. Nandyan yung mga medical concerns, like for instance, emergencies and attendance to chronic illnesses. Applicants with allied medical background brings ready-to-use skills, hindi na zero-based. Kumbaga, may experience na sila na pwede nilang gamitin pag sila ay nakapasok sa Bucor. Pangalawa, allied medical courses graduate applicants shows discipline, ethics, and crisis management. Kumbaga, sanay na silang humarap sa pressure. Sanay silang magtrabaho under pressure dahil alam nilang buhay ang hinahawakan nila sa kanilang trabaho. Pangatlo, if you are multifunctional applicants, kumbaga pag nakapasok ka sa Bucor, you're an asset. Hindi ka lang magbabantay dahil doble-doble ang purpose mo. Nagbabantay ka na, nagsisecure ka pa ng buhay, lalo na ang allied medical courses. Bottom line, all the applicants in allied medical courses don't guarantee hiring, pero they strengthen their lines to be qualified as an applicant to CO1 or CTO1 position. Kumbaga sa Bucor, ang may ambag sa seguridad at pagliligtas ng buhay ay may mas mabigat na serbisyo at tungkulin. O, hindi ito assurance or security na porkit ikaw ay allied or medical course graduate ay makakasecured ka na ng slot sa iyong application. Kupal tots ko lang to, pero may katotohanan. Siyempre, ikaw pa rin ang gagawa ng tadhana mo kung mapapapasama ka sa final deliberation at makakarating ka sa actual oath taking. Galingan mo rin siyempre sa ibang stage, hindi porke ikaw ay allied medical course graduate, secure ang slot mo. Aba, wag kang kupal ha.